How do you identify lupus arthritis symptoms early? Imagine waking up with stiff joints that make simple tasks feel harder than they should be. If this sounds familiar, it might be more than just normal stiffness. Lupus arthritis is a common part of systemic lupus erythematosus, an autoimmune disease where the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy tissues, especially in the joints. Recognizing the signs early can make a big difference in managing the condition. One of the first clues is joint pain and swelling. Usually, it affects small joints like those in the fingers, wrists, and toes. The pain often appears on both sides of the body at the same time, which is called symmetric joint involvement. You might notice the joints look swollen or tender, and this can start mild but gradually become more noticeable. Morning stiffness that eases with movement or a warm shower is another common sign. Unlike other types of arthritis, lupus arthritis rarely causes bone erosion, but joint deformities can happen due to loose tendons or ligaments, a condition called Jacquard's arthropathy. Besides joint symptoms, there are other early signs linked to lupus. Fatigue and feeling generally unwell are very common. Some people experience unexplained fevers or skin rashes, especially a butterfly-shaped rash across the cheeks and nose. Hair loss and sensitivity to sunlight are also typical. You might notice swollen lymph nodes or muscle aches as well. Sometimes, symptoms like chest pain, kidney issues, or mouth ulcers can appear, but these are less specific to the joint problems. Since lupus symptoms tend to come and go, early joint issues can be tricky to spot. If joint pain and swelling persist or are accompanied by other lupus signs, it's important to see a healthcare provider. They will likely perform blood tests, check your joints, and review your symptoms carefully. Early diagnosis allows for treatment that can reduce joint inflammation and prevent long-term damage. In short, watching for symmetrical joint pain, swelling, morning stiffness, and signs like rash or fatigue can help identify lupus arthritis early. Acting quickly with medical help can make managing the disease much easier and improve your quality of life.